Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run a sale on Etsy step by step. If you're an Etsy seller, you know how important it is to attract more customers to your shop and increase your sales. Running a sale can be a great way to do that, and it's actually quite easy. So without further ado, let's get started. First, you want to think about a discount that you're going to want to do. Etsy allows you to go up to 70%. You can do a discount, you can create a coupon code, or free shipping. There are a few other options. But first, you're going to want to start on your shop manager, and then you're going to come down here to marketing. You're going to click on sales and discounts, and you're going to go run a sale right here. And this is where you're going to pick your percentage off. You got to think about what kind of, like, say, you got to think about it, how long you're going to run it for. So let's get started with percentage off, and we'll say, just for run a 25% off sale. You're going to run that everywhere. Everywhere is like, unless you want to exclude certain countries. But I usually run everywhere. I don't have an order minimum. I just run it, and I sometimes run them for about a week. So you come down here, you pick your month, date. So like we're going to start today, which is Friday the 31st. We're going to run it till April 7th. Terms and conditions, if you have any. I normally don't. And then you think of a name. So this is going to be running during Easter, so let's call it Easter, and that's where we're at. You click continue. You can do all listings if it's a shop-wide sale, or if it's not, then you do select certain listings, and we're going to select listings. Alright, so now you're going to select your listings that you want to add to this sale. Come down here, you come down to this shop, add listings by shop section. I have lots of shop sections. I don't usually include my prints, which are fine art prints down here. So then I add the entire, I click on the first one. It's kind of weird and wonky how it works. Then you have to have the second one, which is that. But if you're just doing a shop section, it'll say on sale or something of that nature. It's easy to do. I usually have 90% of my shop on sale when I'm running a sale. So it takes a second. Sorry about this. I think there's one more floating around here. Yep, I just saw it. Sports. That leaves my fine art prints off sale. So then you're going to review it and confirm. So you review and confirm. This is my sale, 65% off. I have no order minimum. I'm running the duration for, like I say, a week. 345 listings. Sales name is Easter terms. So you confirm and create. You can share it or tweet it. I usually tweet, because that's just what I do, because I'm crazy like that. We are done.